Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing windows so you can see the files. Open File Explorer options and enable hidden items and file name extensions. This reveals folders the store hides. Next, open Settings, go to Apps, then Apps and Features, and find the Microsoft Store game. You need the exact game name or package family name to avoid confusion. Once you have that identifier, make sure to copy it or write it down, because you'll use it in commands, and to locate the package folder. Now you locate the package folder in practice. Open File Explorer and paste %local app data %packages, then search for the package family name you noted. Folders are often named like publisher. Game 8 Wekib 3D8 BBWE. Once found, inspect subfolders. Local cache, local state, system app data, and files commonly contain assets and save data. If folder names are ambiguous, run PowerShell. Get apps package name, *game name * to confirm. Finish by safely accessing the files and handling problems. Copy the files you need to a new folder. Do not edit originals because the store may validate package integrity. If you encounter permission errors, right-click the folder, take ownership, or run PowerShell as administrator to copy or export files from the package. If the game won't run or files appear corrupted after changes, repair the app in Settings, then reset it. If that fails, reinstall from the Microsoft Store. That repair step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.